Okay, to start off with, we're going to pull the machine out. We're going to open the door and grab it from the inside and slightly lift it and pull. Turn the tap clockwise to turn off the water supply. I recommend having a towel and a bucket for the next bit. Okay, now we need to disconnect the cold water pipe from the rear of the machine. You can do this by turning it. Now disconnect the water intake. Now disconnect the wastewater hose. Now that the pipes are disconnected, we can remove them along with the old washing machine.